Hello guys!
Good morning!
Welcome to day 3 of our Myrtle Beach vacation.
If only you could talk.
And it's early. Today we're just kind of touristing it up.
Yeah.
Doing some putt-putt, doing some eating, some bar hopping, and then some swimming later.
I can't wait.
So come join us.
Won't you?
It is super breezy out here today.
It feels wonderful though.
It feels wonderful. We changed our location to give you something a little bit different. And check out this fountain, because it's a lot more interesting than our little fountain over there. So before we get going on today's adventures, we have some business to take care of.
Yeah.
So we're walking there to do that. And then, after all that's done, hopefully it won't take too long.
Hopefully.
Then we can come back and do all the fun stuff. So we will talk to you after our meetings.
Yes, we will.
Yes. Look how beautiful it is out. Just don't look over here.
I love the clouds and fluffy.
Yeah, but there look like
one.
it's rain building.
It does. It does look
I hope it's
dark.
on rain, because we're going putt-putting now. And by now, I mean finally.
Oh my gosh. Yes, finally.
The meeting that we had, and I don't want to get into details of any of it, went way long.
Way long.
Like 3 hours longer than it should have.
Longer, yes.
So yeah. So now we gotta go back, get ready real quick, pick up Matt and Julie, and not get poked. But head off and go putt-putting. Like I said, hopefully the rain holds off.
Hopefully it does. Because,
We'll see what happens.
It does look pretty dark.
Yeah. Oh, look at the view from over here. Hold on, let me unattach myself. Why am I obsessed with fountains?
You do love a fountain. I like them too. They're super pretty. They're super soothing.
You're super pretty.
Oh,
Aww. So we made it. We made it to Gilligan's Island.
we did.
I don't know why they're abandoned, because there's all kind of stuff right here that, like, you know, maybe if they would have just walked farther out on the island, they would have realized they were really in the U.S. the whole time.
Maybe they would have.
I don't know. We're going to go putt-putting, because I just butchered the worst joke ever. So we have started our grunge match putt-putt. Oh, just a bit outside. I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna give her every sports reference I could possibly think of.
All right. I'm the greatest. You want to just take a tapper? Look at you.
No, because.
Yeah. No. What? Huh?
All right. I can knock yours away.
Okay. I don't know what's going on here. I'm clueless. This is gonna be a long day.
I will be.
Good try. Good try, honey. It's a cave hole.
Feels good in here.
Yeah, it does. Can we just stand here for a little bit?
Let's do 6 shots each on this hole.
Echo! Oh, hey, the backside of water. And we have Julie lining up. Holy crap. Nice, nice. That went faster than I thought it was going to. Followed by Kristen. Let's see.
Ooh.
Okay,
We all stay on it.
Pretty good for everyone. That's quite an elevation change.
Nicely done.
Nicely done, hun.
Dang.
Okay, you got this.
Get me in.
Oh, not quite.
This again.
Good try. Okay, who got rid of the bridge? Woo! Whee! Tell you what, this course has some wacky holes and some wacky elevation changes on it. Not a bad shot though, Matt.
Good job, Julie.
How did none of us manage to get it past the little bridge thing? And how did one of us manage to get it stuck under the bridge thing?
I think the rules of the edge of the...
No, I think you gotta like pull that out of there or something.
Yeah.
Babe, what are you doing?
I'm putting.
Isn't putt-putt supposed to be standing?
Well, you know what?
Oh, there it goes. Oh!
Your shot.
Stop! Stop!
Your shot.
No!
No! Stop!
Oh!
No! Where are you going? Tell you what, from up here, you can see it's a really nice course. It's a really challenging course, but it's a really nice course. And I love this waterfall behind us. I mean, of course I love waterfalls, so yeah.
Honey. Yeah, babe.
We're going into a scary cave.
We are, aren't we?
Oh, it's a big cave.
Oh, it keeps going, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Where's the breeze?
We're losing light. Oh, there's light. Ooh, it's a water-filled cave.
Who?
I think I see the light. Woohoo, we made it. Hole number 4. Ooh, auto. Okay, number 18. This determines it all, or pretty much determines I'm the loser.
We all win because it's air conditioning next.
Yes, yes.
It's been toasty.
Actually, I think Julie wins because she got 2 hole-in-ones.
I was mid-rare when I showed up, and now I'm definitely well done.
Okay, see what you got. Not bad, not bad. Quite a ways away from the hole though.
So I finally calculated everybody's scores, and the winner is Matt. Not by much though. Julie was second with 3 shy, and then we won't even talk about Paul. He was a very loser.
I thought he was gonna kill us too.
Dude, I had it the first
Like
1, 2, 3, 4 holes. As a, yeah.
I don't know what
2
happened after
strokes the
that.
first 4 holes. It went downhill from there.
It did.
Or uphill.
The important part is Julie got 2 holes-in-ones, and I still beat her.
Yes, Julie did get 2 hole-in-ones.
And a free game.
And a free game.
And she won a free game. Awesome.
Okay, time for food. And time to maybe drink a little bit.